So now we're out with the sailing Maja, and today we got a Norwegian celebrity with us.
Hello.
So for all our Norwegian audience, this is Bjørn-Aage, famous Norwegian YouTuber. For the rest of you, well, he's still Bjørn-Aage, but not that famous. So we will wash and polish the boat and make a lot of YouTube videos of it.
Gonna make the boat shine again.
We will make this old lady shine again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Synes jeg du var flink. Hva synes du om meg?
Ja, nå handler vi det hyggelig da. Nei, jeg synes du er flink, jeg. Now my dear Maja, she will come out of the water and onto the hard. So now she's hanging in the straps. Is that what
hanging in a row.
something like that? That's,
Yes.
that's what we call it in Norway. So we're in Spain. The boat is lifting, and we will start washing and polishing it.
So where do we start? From the bottom and wash us up?
You're the specialist.
So you start on the top and wash us down.
It's my boat, and you will do the washing.
Yeah, right.
So yeah, and then he left. Kan du gjenta det på engelsk?
Well, finally we got the boat up from the water, and we spent 1.5 hour of doing that, and we were sailing a half hour. So right now I'm starting to get thirsty, and I'm not talking about coffee.
Kjøpe den tror vi får så å si gratis, og så polerer vi den opp med Turismo og Lost Factory marine produkter, og får den til å skinne.
Tenk deg den videoserien.
Det hadde vært en bra serie.
Ja.
Begynne der.
Er du med på å kjøpe den opp, eller?
Ja, og så må du ha sånn her GT-logo på den.
Og så får vi den opp på skinne, så viser vi hva er mulig med disse produktene.